So after Pascal, the other method of expanding is what we call binomial theorem, and in binomial theorem we don't need any Pascal triangle. We don't need the coefficient of Pascal. The only thing needed is combination formula. That is combinatorial formula. Now let's see it. Binomial. Theorem or expansion anyway. If we are given x plus y power n, according to binomial theorem, it says as usual the first term is this, then the second term is n combination 1, then x, look at it, this n minus this 1, then the second number which where you are having n combination n, x n minus n, then y power n to be the last term. So in binomial theorem, this combination are the coefficients of the expansion. So now let's use the example we have, which is x plus 2 power 5, to see whether we are going to have the same result using binomial theorem. Assuming our x is x, y is 2, and n is 5. So we're going to have x power 5 here plus n, and our n is 5, combination 1, then x 5 minus 1, y power 1, plus 5 combination 2, x 5 minus 2, y 2, not y, sorry, we are using 2 here. We're going to have 2, going to have 2 square, plus the next one, 5 combination 3, x 5 minus 3, then 2 power 3, plus 5 combination 4, x 5 minus 4, 2 power 4, plus 5 combination 5, x 5 minus 5, then 2 power 5. So this is the end, because we reach where we are having 5, 5, 5, 5. So the next thing is just to solve. We are going to have x power 5 plus 5 combination 1 is 5. Is 5. You either use your calculator or you use the formula which says if you are having m combination r, is the same thing as n factorial all divided by n minus r factorial and multiply by r factorial. That is, this factorial, n factorial, is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 until you reach n a single unit number. For instance, if we are to find 5 factorial, 5 factorial means 5, n is 5 here, times n minus 1, that is 4, according. After 5 is 4, then is 3, 2, and this is the end. Then you multiply the numbers all together. This and this, you have 20, plus this, you have 60, plus this, you have 120. So 5 factorial is 120. So this is how to find a combination. For instance, if we are to find, let's find 5 combination, let's say 2. This is the same thing as 5 factorial, n factorial, divided by n minus r, taking 2 as r factorial, then 2 factorial. So this is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus this is 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So this is something as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial, because we are having 3 factorial, then 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So that 3 factorial can cancel 3 factorial. We are going to have 5 times 4 here is 20, divided by 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2, which is equals to 10. So therefore, 5 combination 5 is equal to 10. But you can easily find a combination of any number using a scientific calculator. But if you don't have a scientific calculator, then you use this method. So therefore, in case of 5 combination 1 is 5, we have x power 4, then the 2 here, plus 5 combination 2 is 10, x power 3, then 2 power 2 is 4, plus 5 combination 3 is also 10, then x power 2, this is 8, plus 5 combination 4 is 5, x minus is 1, then this is 16, plus 5 combination 5 is 1, x power 0, then 32. So we solve. So because the x power 5 plus this times this is 10, x power 4 plus this times this is 40, x power 3 plus this is 80, x power 3 plus 80, x plus x power 0 is 1, 1 times 32 is 32. So this is the expansion of x plus 2 power 5 using binomial theory. So let's see one more example when we are having when the numbers are negative. Okay. If maybe we are to find 2x. Let me use a number first. Let me use 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x power 4. Then we are asked to expand this. This is our first number and this is our second number. Now let's use binomial. As usual, the first number will take the power. And if this is minus, you either make it like this, 1 plus minus 2x power 4, so that the second number, when putting the second number, I use it as minus 2x. But if you don't want to expand it like this, whenever you are having minus, when you put the first term, then the second term will be negative, the next term will be positive, the next term positive, negative, positive, negative. Now, the next one is 4 combination 1, then the first number is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, then we take all this as our x, 2x power 1, this is 1, plus, after minus, plus 4 combination 2, 1 power 2, then 2x power 2, plus 4 combination, next number is 3, 1 power 1, that's 3 minus 4 minus 3, then 2x power 3, that is, sorry, minus plus, this is minus, then the last one is plus, that is 4 combination 4, 1 power 0, then 2x power 4, that's all. Okay, now 1 power 4 is 1, minus 4 combination 1 is 4, 1 power 3 is 1, 1 times 4 is 1 is 4, then 2x, we are going to have 2x here, plus 4 combination 2 is 6, 4 factorial, 4 minus 2 and 2 factorial, this is 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial. 2 factorial cancel 2 factorial, this is 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. So 4 combination 2 is 6. So having 6, then we have 1 here, is 1 times 6 is 6, 2 power 2 is 4, then x power 2 is x squared, minus 4 combination 3 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4, 2 this is 8, then x power 3 is x3, then plus the last one, which is 4 combination 4 is 1, 1 power 0 is 1, then 2 power this is 16, x power 4. Now let's multiply it. At last we are going to have 1 minus this times this is 8x, plus this times this is 4 times this is 24x squared, minus 4 times 8 is 32, x power 3, plus 1 times 16 is 16x power 4. So this one is the expansion of 1 minus 2x all power 4. So the next one, let me just introduce expansion of a number which power is indexed with index power. Index here, I mean when it is having a negative power or it is having a rational power. For instance, if I have 1 plus x power n, where n is indexed, negative power or rational powers, my n might be minus 2, my n might be 1 over 2, might be 3 over 4, something like this. We are having expansion of something like this, and 1 plus the number is just 1 power the number, then plus n multiplied by x, that is the value of x here, plus n into n minus 1, then x square divided by 2 factorial, plus n, after n into n minus 1, then we are going to have n into n minus 1, n minus 2 over 3 factorial x power 3, plus n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 over 4 factorial, then x power 4, plus. So for the implementation, whenever the power is indexed, it is infinitely terms. We don't have a limited terms. Now let's see one example on this. For instance, I might ask to find 1 plus 2x power minus 2. And look at the power. The power here is minus 2. You just assume that your n in this formula is minus 2, and the x here is 2x. Checking this up. This is equal to 1 power minus 2 plus n. Our n is minus 2. Then x, our x is 2x, plus n minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1 over 2 factorial x, and our x is 2x altogether, that is 2x square, plus minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 2, 2x power 3 over 3 factorial. I can even add one more, plus minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 3, 2x power 4 all over 4 factorial. So I can stop here. So now let's simplify. 1 power this, 1 power anything is 1, plus minus 2 times 2x, sorry, is going to give minus, because minus and plus is minus 4x, plus minus 2 into minus 3 over 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2. Then 2 power 2 is 4, x power 2 is x squared, plus minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4. Then this times this is, we are going to have 8x power 3 all over 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6, plus the last one, which is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, then 16x power 4 divided by 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 12, 24 divided by 24. So having this one, we just further simplify to get the final result. Now let's simplify here. Simplifying, we have 1 minus 4x minus minus plus 4 times 2 times this is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. We're going to have plus 3 into 4x squared minus 2 times this. We're going to have, this is minus 6. 6 times this, minus 24. So we're going to have minus 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 8x power 3, then plus minus 2, minus 6, positive 6, minus 24, minus 24 times positive times negative 5, minus 24 times negative 5, all 16x power 4 all over 24 plus, now let's just 1 minus 4x plus 12x squared, this and this, minus 24 divided by 6 is 5, 5 times 8 is 40, 40x power 3. This one we are going to have plus 24 cancel 24, minus cancel minus, that is 5 times 16, we are going to have 80, 80x power 4 plus up to the term. So this is the expansion of the question, which says 1 minus 1 plus 2x all power minus 2. So in case of expanding this one, some questions might just be asked to expand up to so term. In our own, we expand up to how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We expanded up to the 5th term, and the 5th term here is 80x power 4.